How to use two audio outputs at the same time on your Windows. So hi everybody, today in this video we will be guiding you on that. So without any delay, let's just get started. So for that, you can head over from your desktop screen in this speaker icon and right click on it, and you can look out for playback options here. If not, open up sound settings and it opens up sound settings within your settings. Now what you can do is here you can just basically locate up this option of more sound settings, open it up, and it opens up your playback, recording, and everything. So what you can do is you can head over to the recording section and look out for your stereo mix that will help you play two devices at the same time. So all you gotta do is this right here is disabled. If this is not available, right click on it and look out for show disabled devices, and it will show you this disabled device. Now what you can do is you can right click on it, look out for enable option, and once it is enabled, right click on it again, go over to properties this time, and from here you need to head over, go over to listen, and look out for this option, playback through this device, drop it down and select the option speakers, or if you're connecting headphones or speaker at the same time, you will be finding that option here. You can locate it up, select it, after that click on right click on listen to this device and click on apply and click on OK, and that should do it. And then there are different couple options also available here. Look for levels. You can select up the levels of your stereo mix. And we have this advanced option that allows applications to take exclusive control of the device. You may check mark this option and give exclusive mode applications priority. You may check mark this option as well. And the signal enhancements options, you can enable these and click on apply and click on OK. And that should do it. So you may follow up this method in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.